My name is Becky Parker. I'm a lending specialist with the Center for Rural Affairs. After Hours Repair is a family-owned business in North Platte. It's a mother, a father, and a son, and their grandchildren are there all the time. And it's a mechanic shop that's open way past 5 o'clock. They're open till 11 o'clock at night, so that if a motorist comes down the interstate or somebody in town happens to break down after 5 o'clock, they can still get the help that they need. They treat you like you're one of their family. You're not just a customer. They have this year, it's school time, and they did a school drive to help get school supplies for maybe kids that can't afford it this year. And upon that, then they gave the person that donated a discount on an oil change or whatever service that they might need. So they're giving back to the community for what, we helped them start. It seems like in the smaller communities and the small businesses, they're more willing to give back to the community because we help them. They see that we're there to help them, so they can in turn help somebody else.